Hello. Welcome to Rafael Cooking Style, my cooking channel. So this time I will show you how easy I do salads during the week. I just last week I show you how to make the pickled onions, which is very easy, very nice, very flexible, it lasts a lot on the fridge. So there's a live and there's one or two videos of it. So look, I'm just doing 3 ingredients plus pickled onion. That's it, a salad for a busy Monday. So I just have pre-washed salad, also lettuce. I'm gonna dye some cucumber. I'm gonna add this cucumber on top of the lettuce. And now I will cut some mango. I will cube some one of the half of the mango, just like this. You can peel it and cut it the other way around, but I'm making kind of a flower I do for my daughter always, and she eats it like this. She love it. Just cubes of mango. You can do slices, whatever you want. And after we got all our mango, lettuce, and cucumber, I am just gonna top it with our pickled onion, just like this. We are gonna remove this. Look, just like that. Gonna get my tongue, and in this salad we got all the flavor, the dressing, everything. We don't need anything else. No dressing, nothing else. Here is our dressing. You see our use from the pickled onion. Look, we got color, we got sourness, we got sweet. Very nice. So I hope you like it, and if you do, subscribe. Thank you. Cheers.